September signals a welcome relief from high summer temperatures, while in the southern and western pieces of the US, this month actually feels a long way from encountering a fall breeze. Regardless of where you reside, September is the authority beginning of fall, which can be a seriously busy season in the garden. However, this month sees a lot of fluctuation in temperature. We're featuring an assortment of delightful fall blossoms, fragrant spices, and delectable produce that will work well for various regions this month. Number 1. Chrysanthemums. Pre-fall or late summer is a magnificent opportunity to plant mums, one of the emblematic blossoms of the time. Basically, any time in September that makes you excited is a decent wagered. Inasmuch as it's no less than about a month and a half before the year's most memorable ice. These energetic blooms flourish best in USDA hardiness zones 5 to 9, yet can likewise passage well in zone 4 with a touch of additional tending. Number 2. Chamomile. While chamomile is really a spice, it has fragile, daisy-like blooms and brings a fragrant, relieving component to any garden. Plant these now so they can be major areas of strength for growing winter for an exquisite spring treat. Chamomile truly does best in USDA hardiness zones 2 and 9. Number 3. Peonies. Okay, the peony is one of our record-breaking most loved blossoms. Getting gorgeous spring blooms begins with planting in the last 50% of September, at the end on the off chance that you live in a hotter environment. USDA hardiness zones 3 to 9 are awesome for growing this blossom in a variety of pretty pastels. Number 4. Asters. September is a magnificent month to plant asters as the temperatures grow gentle and they can be deeply grounded by winter ices. These lovely blooms are the month's introduction to the world blossom, making for an extra exceptional expansion of the garden. These flourish best in USDA hardiness zones 3 to 8. Number 5. Zinnias. Breathe new life into your garden during that time's most memorable ice with quickly developing zinnias. These blossoms can sprout just a month in the wake of planting and are best planted once the mid-year temperatures begin to fade. Zinnias are probably going to flourish when planted in USDA hardiness zone 6 to 11 and frequently draw in pollinators like butterflies.